Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. I'm Felix, and we're going to talk about some Bitcoin price action. First off, this is the moving average, 4-year moving average. And you can see here, whenever this Bitcoin price got near the moving average, you can see how it turned blue. Those were been the best buying opportunity in Bitcoin history. Um, these are the areas you want to accumulate dollar cost average, and go basically kind of all in during Bitcoin price action. And you can see here, we're in that blue area here currently, right at the 400 moving average. And we're going to show some charts. And another thing I want to show you this update news. Breaking: Trump media just disclosed holding 14,139 Bitcoin worth 900 million. They added 4,662 Bitcoin worth 293 million in July. And exactly true. While everyone is panicking, President Trump is loading up for the next crypto bull run or Bitcoin bull run. This is why I'm telling you guys need to understand Bitcoin, study it, learn Bitcoin, learn about money, watch a lot of podcasts about Bitcoin, read some books about Bitcoin, and why is it important, and why Trump media, for example, is buying 293 million worth of Bitcoin, and why they have 900 million currently at today's price, or roughly around today's price, and 14,139 Bitcoin. Why? You need to understand why. And this is kind of where I've gone, because through my Bitcoin journey, I knew about Bitcoin and I bought some, but I wasn't fully invested in it. And during this bear market, I've been going heavily into Bitcoin now, and buying more every paycheck basically. And if I have stock positions that's gone overvalued, I sell them and buy Bitcoin. But anyway, so you can see the moving average on the 4-year is on the blue, and that's great buying opportunity. You can see here in 2015 to 2016, over here at 2019, over here during COVID, over here in 2022 to 2023, great buying opportunity to buy Bitcoin. And today, of course, great buying opportunity. And if we go to the power law, and again, this is why I tell you to study Bitcoin. Bitcoin has not broke the power law. You can see here, it kind of broke it on July or June, July 1st, but we're still decently above it at 62. This power law is just continuing to rise and rise. And next thing you know, because a lot of people are waiting for October, as the 4-year cycle ends around October. They call it perfectly on the October, over here around October 2025. And so October, so basically 4-year cycles every 3 years of higher prices, and then the 4th year is a bear market. So that's where we're in right now, a bear market. But the bear market, as you saw in on the 4-year moving average, has been the best buying opportunity for Bitcoin, and as today is best buying opportunity for Bitcoin. So study it, very good. And you can see here, so we had a nasty day yesterday, on August 10th. You can see here it broke this trend line, which is the like a bear flag, a bull flag on the movie, on the daily here. Kind of broke it here, but we're basically right now retesting that bear flag. So this is kind of normal. Was hoping maybe we gone higher here on the bear flag or the bull flag break, but it looks like it's retesting. But this can retest going lower like that. As long as we don't break this trend line, it could be here or kind of like here, we're fine. It's just retesting it and could get a bounce. We have the 50 moving average on the daily here. You can see how it kind of will support here, support there, and a very nice bottoming tail there, right here. So that looks good so far. Hopefully the next 2 days or so we could take this out and then get a nice weekly close there. You can see here on the daily as well, we had this bigger trend line here from the high over here, which was October 6th there, and this here, this mark high on May 8th, 11th, and so that's a daily trend line, and it coincides with the daily 200 moving average. So there's going to be a very tough resistance, a tough battle between buyers and sellers here around the 70,000 mark. So we'll see how it gets there. Getting there is very important. If it gets there like a big bar, is a possibility we could have a little downturn and then a big bar. But if it gets there slowly, consolidating, then, and this is coming lower and lower and lower, then this could break out around here when it breaks out this 67 area as well. Again, if we go back to the weekly, you can see here, the weekly shows that, and you can see here on the 13 EMA, right here on the weekly, how it kind of respected that here. That's why we have a kind of red bar. We have a kind of resistance here. So we'll see how it is still respecting the 200 here. We did not get a close under. We did a close under here on June 22nd or that week. And then the following week, we had a nice to close above the 200. So that looks very promising. As long as we don't close under the 200 on the weekly, we should be fine to get a close above this resistance zone, or 65 or 66,000 area. So again, if you guys are new to Bitcoin and don't fully understand it, just watch, this here, Trump company is buying Bitcoin, and his son is working on American Bitcoin company, and mining Bitcoin. You need to understand Bitcoin. Study it. Take a week of just watching podcasts on Bitcoin and learn it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.